iPhone X SE or iPhone SE2 is the smartphone world's hottest topic. A phone which blends cutting-edge iPhone X technology with a lower asking price. Hello guys, my name is Bhavik, you are watching Top Trend. So let's begin this video. But before that, if you have not subscribed this channel, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for the more upcoming videos. Apple has officially announced a major event for March 27th in Chicago, and the leakers and analysts are falling over themselves though they declare that they have news that this will be the official launch date of iPhone XE. Rumors have indicated that the iPhone X will have a glass back panel and similar to the iPhone 8, 8 Plus and iPhone X. The report indicates that the iPhone SE2 will sport a 4.2-inch display and will have a bezel-less display and even the notch that one sees on the front screen of the iPhone X. The rumor talks about the smartphone sporting an aluminum body. Some of the earlier reports had held that the bezels, like the good old phones, would be very much present and there won't be any facial recognition features. The CPU will be the Apple's A10 chipset that is fitted on iPhone 7. The new device is expected to have the 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. A second variant with 128GB internal storage is also being predicted. There will be a Touch ID fingerprint sensor integrated with the main home button. The battery is likely to be 700 mAh in capacity and the cameras are 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel in the rear and the front respectively. Since these leaks have occurred through the Chinese sources, the price of the new iPhone SE2 is around $450. So that's it from the top trend. Please don't forget to like this video and also share us your views in the comment section below. That's it from the top trend. Thank you. Have a good day. See you next week.